Gather your materials and follow along to make this sweet costume. You will need some red, black, and gray felt, a white t-shirt, solid colored pom-poms, and a glue gun. Start by cutting out an apron from the red felt. The easiest thing to do is cut out 3 sides of a square on the bottom and then cut straight across on the left and right sides, creating the straps. You will also cut out a red circle to go on the shirt. You can make it to size depending on the size of the person wearing it. You will cut out the number, dial, and a small square from the black felt. You will also cut out a white square and place the number on top. Glue the felt to the front of the apron and then add the remaining felt pieces. Have your child put on the shirt and apron. Decide on your placement and glue the red circle to the front of the shirt. Glue on your pom-poms, creating the gumballs. Add the apron and your costume is complete. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.